Bonjour qui bienvenue. Hello and welcome. Les mois de l'année en français. Months of the year in French. So in this video lesson, guys, we will discuss months of the year in French language. So let's get started. How would you say January in French? Janvier, janvier, February, février, février, March, max, max, April, avril, avril, May, May. This one is same in English as well as in French. May. June, June, juin, juin, July, juillet, juillet, August, août, août, September, 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 October, 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 November, 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 December, December, December. Now let's repeat one more time. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, November, December. That's it. These were the names of the months in French language. Now, why don't you tell me in the comment section which month is your birthday? Do write in the comment section down below. That's it. See you soon. A bientôt. Thanks for watching that video, guys. If you enjoyed watching, hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button down below for more amazing videos and updates, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much and keep learning.